Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are introduction Instagram puzzle. You can feel download from the link in the description. Just click here and download from here. And here these are PDF files, and this is the model, and these are PNG images. And here these are in PSD format. You can see these are completely customizable. You can change background image, read text elements, image, circles, and many more. You can write text here. You can change background image. Like there are 9. Let's open this for example. Here see these elements, circles, rectangles. You can drag and drop simply. Here like these others. This is the premium data which I'm providing you for free. Now you can do this. You can download from here. Just click download now and click on download. And it's gonna start downloading. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.